Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. UK markets were broadly steady at the open, with the FTSE100 edging higher to 10,438.24. Across Europe, sentiment was weaker. The Euronext 100 fell 0.55%, while Germany's DAX dropped 1.26% as investors weighed political uncertainty in the UK and ongoing interest rate concerns. In the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 26,166.6 and the S&P 500 finished at 7,472.79. In company news, Telecom Plus warned that profits will be lower than expected in FY27 and reduced its dividend despite reporting record annual results. Meanwhile, Bunzl upgraded its outlook after benefiting from inflation-linked pricing and stronger sales volumes across its operations. Against sterling, the US dollar, Swiss franc, euro and Japanese yen strengthened, while the Australian dollar weakened. Bitcoin slipped slightly against the pound. In commodities, copper traded lower, gold moved higher, Brent crude eased and natural gas edged up. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.